Mitch has come up from down south, New South Wales, and he's representing Big Dog Builds in a massive way with a huge sticker on the back window. Shout out to Mitch for that one, mate. Sidman Constructions, good on ya. And I'll give you a quick talk through of what we've done on this one. We've done a lift, wheels, tyres, fuel tank and tow bar package. So Cognito 4-inch lift kit on this one, massive 37, 13.5, 20 BFG mud terrain tyres, wrapped on some Method 605 NV wheels. These are 20 by 10 neg 24 in the awesome looking titanium gloss colour. This fitment on the Chevys with the flared Bushwacker flares, colour coded to the vehicle, definitely has that staunch factor. Road presence is amazing, and the front end of these Chevys with this sort of package just looks unreal. This one also came in for the fuel tank upgrade, so the Titan OEM-replacement fuel tank will get you just over 1,000 Ks even with 37s, which is quite impressive. And then we've gone and installed a tow bar package as well. So this is the red and grey Anderson plug to the tow bar. The red one you can throw a solar mat on it for the batteries under the bonnet. The grey one's ignition powered to charge up the DC-DC in the caravan or the boat setup, whatever you're towing behind the vehicle. The front of this one, you can see the Off-Road Creative front bar combo. So this one fully colour coded to the Chevy black. It's got the hoop on the front, the 3 spotlight tabs with the 3 laser lamp Sentinel Elite 9s on the front. Awesome looking LEDs. You can set these ones up. They're going to give you the best output on these bars. The Chevy lights, I've been told, are pretty weak on these 2500s, as they are on a lot of these American trucks. So going for some good lighting output on the front bar, the Stedi lights in the bar, as well as a 15,000 pound carbon wireless winch in the front. This is the ultimate setup for the front end of your Chevy, and it's definitely going to protect the front end of this one for years and years to come. This truck's also gone up to Blacklist in the Sunny Coast. Shout out to the guys up there and Wrap Masters. They've done the bit of PPF, the ceramic coating on this one. This thing came back to us looking amazing, and I'm super proud to get it in front of the shed. Some awesome looking trucks in the car park, but this Chevy standing in front of all of them, it definitely looks amazing. If you've got a Chevy, Ram or a Ford on order, jump on our brand new website. We've got a bunch of information on there. We've got links to the social media, the YouTube, the Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok. Plenty of videos on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to that one. If you've got an inquiry, fill out the form online, and I look forward to seeing your truck in here at Big Dog Builds.